Hey, in this video, I will show you how you can bring any AutoCAD drawing in Revit and bring it to the sheet. Now, you can do two ways. One is you just import, like if you go to insert, and you will see that in the import, there is one option is for import CAD. So you can just import the AutoCAD drawings directly, or you can import the PDF. So either one is fine. So now this one that I'm showing you over here in the screen, this is a PDF. So to do that, I did is, like in your AutoCAD drawing, when you have too many things in your AutoCAD drawing, you know how to do the PDF, right? So you just go to print, continue to a single sheet, and loop in PDF monochrome CTB, the paper size 11 by 17, the scale maybe 1/16, and center the plot window, and then you pick, and then you create, like okay, it will create a PDF for you, right? I do the annotation scale, it's okay, continue, and then it will ask me, so I will just okay, just give a name, just giving a name. Okay, I'm saving it. Now if I go to so this is my site plan in like that I made the PDF one. Okay, so now when I go to the Revit, let's open a new one. So that's one thing, that you make a PDF of your AutoCAD drawing, save it as a PDF or print it as a PDF, and then we will bring that in Revit. Another way is like your file, this AutoCAD file, right? But the problem with AutoCAD file is when we will insert the file, whatever the drawings in the AutoCAD that file is, it will import everything, so we cannot select. So that now this is the one that I brought, the PDF one, and this is the one that I brought, the AutoCAD one. Now either one is fine. If you so you see there's a little bit of difference in the line weight, but it will look good when you print them as PDF. Now, where to bring them before bringing them here? So in Revit, if you go to view, in the view there is a drafting view. So when you go to the drafting view, under view tab, drafting view, and it will ask you to give a name. So it will create like a two-dimensional drawing page for you in Revit, like an AutoCAD drawing page, right? So what I will do is I will just give the name site plan. I already have one, so maybe I'm giving a new name, site plan new, and the scale I just chose 1/16, or whatever you want to choose. You can choose if you have any other scale you used, you can choose that. Now okay, so it's now a blank page. So now on that blank page I will insert my uh, AutoCAD drawing. Let me do first the AutoCAD drawing. So insert and then import CAD. So now as I said, when you will be importing the CAD, whatever the drawings inside that document, that file, it will import everything. So if you want to bring the AutoCAD drawing, you just clean the AutoCAD file, like if you go to AutoCAD, um, you can, so if I need to have just my site plan, not this one, so then I can make it in like a save as the drawing. So just um, site plan for Revit. Okay, so I'm giving that name. Okay, good. And then what I'll do is I will just delete those and just leave the site plan. Okay, so I'll save it. Now I will insert. So I opened by going to the View tab and then the 2D drafting view. I created, I gave a name, Site Plan New, and you see like in the project browser where I have the floor plans, 3D views and everything. So it will create a drafting views tab for me. And under the drafting view, I already have two drawings. So this is the one that I created. So this is my that blank page. So first of all, I will import the CAD and then I will show you how you can import the PDF one. So now let's go there. My this one was my drawing. I select that. And so here, whether you want the colors or black and white, I leave it black and white. The layers levels, so yeah, it's fine keeping it all. The import units, you just select the auto detect. So whatever the units you used for your drawings, then it will be inserted the same units, and keeping like this auto origin to internal origin and open. And now you will see that you click, it's inserting, but somewhere sometimes like you need to zoom in and to see where it inserted. So that's my site plan. And now see, like here it comes as a group, right? It comes as the whole thing, like a group. And if you want to um, like you can move it, you cannot move it until you make it, there is a pin, so you make that unpin. Now you can move that, right? Otherwise you couldn't move it. But then like you see that everything, like if you would like to do anything, edit, you cannot, because it is all the things are a group. So what you can do, if you want to explode them to make an ungroup, you can click over here, explode. Just click over here. Now you will see that it says can't draw detail fill region. Okay, delete elements. It's okay, it won't delete. Now you see that everything is like all like piece by piece separate thing, right? Now what you can do, but it's like if each and every line are separated when you click on exploded. You can make it exploded, or if you don't want to, if you just want to keep it as it is, because few things gets deleted when we explode it. And so I'm keeping like that. That's my site plan new. Now what I will do is I will create a sheet, right? So I already have two sheets. Let me just remove those and remove from sheet, remove from sheet. So this is my site plan in 2D drafting view, and now I will bring it into the sheet. So what I will do is following the sheet number, you can follow with that list of drawings we gave you. So site plan is A2, and you can just copy, like duplicate in the main floor plan. As I say, like if you duplicate the sheets and duplicate empty sheet, then it will like your title block, you don't have to edit every time. It will be those things will be saved, just you will. So that's how I copied. So that is my A2 site plan. Okay, now let's go over here and bring my drawing like we did before. So drafting views, my site plan new, and you bring it over here and the same way. So the scale is like the scale I used 116, so it will be in the same scale like 116. So that's my site plan, and everything would be like you can adjust the title block and all those stuffs like we did before. So you can bring that and make maybe you can move that the title if you don't have space over here. So that's my site plan in AutoCAD. Now you will see that few things here, those are a little bit distorted. So that's why like bringing AutoCAD directly on the Revit, few things are not exactly following like, or like the things that you want, it doesn't show the way you want, or like few things maybe it could be deleted. Or so in that case you need to, what you need to do is activate view and then select that, explode, and yeah, a few things will be deleted in that case, right? And then you can edit the stuffs. So that also can clean the drawings. You can play around with that and then bring it back so it's better looking like after exploding the view. Okay? So that's the bringing the AutoCAD in Revit. It looks good. The line weights looks good. Now let me show you now how we can insert the PDF drawing in Revit. So the same way, it's a similar way. In the drafting view, we will create a new one. Another one, if you go to view and then drafting view and then give a name like maybe site plan um, 1, 1/16 scale. Okay, so this is my new drafting view and I will insert like I did before the CAD. So here you can, instead of import CAD, there is the import PDF and then you can bring the PDF that I saved. Let me see, where did I save it? So that's important. Um, Here, so sample 4, maybe that one. Not sure, like you need to make sure like which one you were bringing. Open, and so yeah, you see here it looks like that, and then okay. So that's my site plan, the PDF one. So you can see that you can differentiate the line quality. AutoCAD, definitely the line quality is better than PDF, so you can do either one, either AutoCAD or PDF. And then same way you can bring that in a sheet. I duplicate a sheet. I rename. Okay, just leave it like that, and then bring my the PDF one over here. So it's the same way, and so that's the 1/16 scale, your site plan, right? So now it's up to you. You can bring either your um, AutoCAD drawing, which looks better in terms of the line quality. And in that case, you need to clean your AutoCAD drawing. Just leave this drawing and whatever the drawing you want to bring over in Revit, just keep that drawing and clean and delete the other stuff. Just make it nice and clean, and then you will insert that in Revit, right? And for the PDF, you can just make a PDF one and then insert that in your Revit sheet. So the next video, I will show you how you can print all the sheets as one single PDF. Thank you.